So just a quick shot to show you what we're doing. We're here in a very large 500,000 square foot commercial center building, 4 stories, and we're on the 3rd floor right now, and we are working with our Steramist machine. This is our BIT hydrogen peroxide solution, and what we've done is set the system up. You see we can have a room that's contained. We just started it so we can actually just take a quick peek. And you can actually see the application guns, the way they're misting. And we're going to basically fill this room up with the hydroxyl hydrogen peroxide mist, which will basically eradicate all the microorganisms and any associated mycotoxins. So if you're looking for a cleaner, better way to go about your next air quality project, or you're just interested in sterilizing or decontaminating your house as part of a spring cleaning, reach out to us at greenworksllc.com. We'll help you get a better understanding of some of this breakthrough technology and how it might work best for you.